Namaste दोस्तों, welcome to our exciting journey into the microscopic world of cells. ये life के building blocks हैं. Today, we'll explore the fascinating organelles जो in tiny units में रहते हैं, each playing a crucial role in keeping us alive and kicking. Understanding these structures is key to unlocking the mysteries of biology, from how our bodies function to the diversity of life on Earth. So, buckle up, get ready for a thrilling adventure, and let's dive right in. Our first stop is the nucleolus, a tiny structure within the nucleus. ये छोटा सा powerhouse ribosomes produce करता है, जो cell के protein making machines हैं. Now let's meet the boss, the nucleus. ये cell का control center है, containing our genetic material, DNA, जो dictate करता है कि cell क्या करता है. Remember the ribosomes made in the nucleolus? ये डीएनए के इंस्ट्रक्शंस को ट्रांसलेट करने में वाइटल रोल प्ले करते हैं टू बिल्ड प्रोटीन्स जो हमारे सेल्स के वर्क हॉर्सेस हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव वेसिकल्स, टाइनी सैक्स दैट एक्ट लाइक द सेल्स डिलीवरी सर्विस. ये वेरियस मॉलिक्यूल्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट और स्टोर करते हैं, ensuring everything reaches its destination. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, or rough ER, ribosomes से भरा हुआ है, making it a protein-making and modifying hub, ensuring proteins are folded and ready for action. Think of the Golgi apparatus as the cell's packaging and shipping center. ये proteins को rough ER से receive करता है, modifies them further, and sends them off to their final destinations. Just like buildings need scaffolding, cells have the cytoskeleton. This network of protein fibers maintains the cell's shape, provides support, and helps with movement. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or smooth ER, is involved in producing lipids, essential for cell membranes and hormones, our body's chemical messengers. Let's meet the mighty mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. ये cellular respiration के through energy generate करते हैं, providing fuel for all cellular activities. Vacuoles are like the cell's storage tanks, holding water, nutrients, and waste products. ये cell के shape और turgidity को maintain करने में भी help करते हैं, keeping it plump and healthy. The cytosol is the jelly-like fluid that fills the cell, providing a medium for organelles to float and interact. ये activity का hub है where many cellular processes occur. Lysosomes are the cell's recycling center, breaking down waste materials and worn-out organelles, ensuring the cell stays clean and efficient. Centrioles cell division में crucial role play करते हैं, helping to organize microtubules that separate chromosomes, ensuring each daughter cell receives a complete set. So, we've explored the fascinating world inside a cell, meeting all the amazing organelles that make life possible. From the protein-making ribosomes to the energy-producing mitochondria, each organelle plays a vital role in the cell's functioning, like a well-coordinated team. I hope this journey has sparked your curiosity about the incredible world of biology. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep learning, because the more we understand about cells, the more we understand about ourselves and the world around us. Dhanyavad dosto! Until next time, keep those brain cells buzzing.